My name is Evie Weeb. I'm a proud Manitoba chicken farmer. I take my responsibilities to taking care of this farm very seriously, and the chickens that are in my barns. I take it as seriously as I take my role in taking care of my family.
Well, we are going to officially get our Manitoba Chicken Summer Grilling Facebook and Instagram Live party underway. Welcome everyone, it's Gina Sunderland, Food and Consumer Relations Specialist. We're going to get started with our warm harvest chicken salad.
Being in the barn, walking through the barn, checking on the birds throughout the day, and just making sure they're comfortable. It's kind of like my happy spot. It's my time to slow down and just, spend the time there and just enjoy it. I work in the chicken industry. I come home to the chicken industry. I even met my husband on a chicken farm.
So good.
Our purpose today is just to share some information and to get people learning about where their food comes from, the great innovation, the food safety, the good quality of their food in Manitoba.
So, and you've got kind of a foolproof way to do it. 6 steps, I think you said?
Yes, 6 perfect foolproof steps. So
Please
you
show us.
Perfect roast chicken every single time. Hand this over to you, Des, and I'm gonna start adding the ingredients here. And maybe we'll just turn up our heat a little bit. So we've got a couple tablespoons of olive oil.
Rachel Plett joins us now to tell us about chicken. When you come to this specific area, what would you like people to learn?
Yeah, so on Discover the Farm on Sunday, we are really excited to have actual broiler chickens for people to see. So we have a mini barn and market-ready birds that they can see how the birds are raised, what they eat, how they eat, and what they drink with a grain-based feed, and just talk to farmers.
I'm Janet Friesen. I'm a third-generation chicken farmer, and I'm from southeastern Manitoba. In our day-to-day operations, my 2 sons, Dean and Jackson, they do the morning and evening chores. Jeff's always looking in and making sure everything's running smoothly, and I'm in the office making sure all the paperwork's running smoothly because chicken farming has changed a lot over the years. We all work together, we play together. I love doing it together, like we're all such an integral part of the farm. Everyone has their role to play. There are no small roles. We succeed together, we fail together. That's family.
We have 3 boys and they all enjoy playing hockey, so as hockey parents we have helped out in various ways. My wife has been part manager numerous years. I have helped coach over the years gone by, and that keeps us busy throughout the year. My name is Kevin. We are chicken farmers in southeastern Manitoba.
Broiler chickens in Manitoba are never raised in cages. They are free run. They've got access to run all over the barn and grab the feed and water wherever they want it.
My top priority is to make sure that the birds are comfortable and do my best job for them.
Wow, Terry, this is absolutely a delicious warm harvest chicken salad. It's kind of like making a sheet pan dinner, and then you bring it all together with savory feta, sweet cranberries, and we make a super zesty dressing and toss it all together, and it's simply delicious.
We have technology that can monitor the barn and keep it cool or keep it warm.
We all know that chicken is a great source of protein, but you might not know how it compares to other sources of protein. So one chicken breast gives your body about 30 grams of protein. To get the same amount of protein from some other sources, we'd need to eat 4 cups of cooked quinoa, 5 cups of tofu, 5 cups.
For all your chicken food safety, storage, and cooking tips, visit manitobachicken.ca.